Welcome to Ecological Niches. The two of us who, by the way, have filmed 100% of the footage shown in these videos have three goals for this channel's content. If these three goals sound interesting, or you just like to see footage and eventually sounds of nature, then join us for this journey by subscribing to our channel. Our first goal is to show how different organisms, including animals, plants, insects, and others, interact with each other, the rest of their environments, and even humanity. Our second goal, and the goal from which this channel's name, Ecological Niches, comes from, is to explain why each species, and in some cases, an individual organism, can be integral parts of their ecosystems, and that these ecosystems affect other ecosystems, and in doing so, affect humanity. Our third and final goal for this channel is to show and explain that humans can and should find ways to minimize the destruction of species and ecosystems, while finding ways to positively engage to fit into these natural systems already in place in sustainable ways. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing or giving a thumbs up. If you have any thoughts about this video or future videos, make a comment down below. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.